Hi! In front of me is OPPO Reno 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can check a password added to Google Passwords Manager. You need to begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling all the way down to access Google section. After that, click on Autofill, Autofill with Google, and Passwords. Then you need to tap on one of your passwords that you wish to check, in my case my Instagram one, and enter your current login method. Lastly, just click on this eye next to your password. So when I do that, as you can see, my password is now visible. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!